Class 8 Geography.
Chapter number 6, Major Crops and Agricultural Development. Hello everyone and welcome to Class 8 Geography. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 6, Major Crops and Agricultural Development. So let's start. In this chapter, we are going to study about the major crops which are grown in the various parts of the world. The land under cultivation in the world is limited, as we know that land is one of the factors of production, and factors of production are limited. About 10% of the total land surface on the earth is suitable for growing of crops. There are various factors which help in selecting the crops which can be grown in a particular area, and they are physical factors, economic factors, and social factors. A variety of crops is grown in various parts of the world to feed the increasing population. These crops, they provide the raw material to the industries which are based on agriculture. Now, we can classify the crops and their uses into different categories. The first category is cereals, which includes rice, wheat, maize, and millets. Next category is pulses, that includes gram, moong, urad, and arhar. Next is oilseeds. It includes mustard seeds, linseed, and rapeseed. Next is fiber crops, which includes cotton, jute, flax, and hemp. It is followed by the last category, which means beverages, and it includes tea, coffee, and cocoa, which is used in production of chocolates. So now let's take these crops one by one and let's understand what are the conditions needed for their growth as well as places where these crops are cultivated. First crop is rice. Rice is an edible, starchy cereal gram and the grass plant by which it is produced. Roughly 1/2 of the world population, including virtually all of the East and Southeast Asia, is wholly dependent upon rice as a staple food. It is the main crop cultivated in the hot region and the humid region, especially in the tropical regions and the subtropical regions of the world. The requirement of the rice plant are: rice plant requires high temperature around 25 degrees Celsius. It requires high humidity and rainfall around 150 centimeter to 200 centimeter. It requires alluvial clay soil, the soil which can retain water. It requires flooded field when the plants are growing, and it also requires cheap labor as most of the work is done by hand. Now, let's discuss the important countries which are the main rice producing countries in the world. China is the largest producer of rice in the world, followed by India, Bangladesh, Southeast Asia, Japan, North and South Korea, Sri Lanka, Brazil, Egypt and USA. As the climatic conditions are favorable in Asia, so 2 or 3 crops of rice they are grown in a year. In the hilly areas, the slopes they are terraced for the cultivation of rice. Japan has the highest yield of rice per hectare, and most of the production of rice is consumed locally. This means if any country produces rice, then most of the rice is used by the people in that country. Wheat. It's a highly nutritional and widely cultivated cereal grain. For over 7 centuries, wheat has been raised and harvested in many countries around the world. It is the most important of all the cereal crops. It has been the chief source of human food for at least 6,000 years. It is the staple food in the countries which are located in the mid-latitude and in dry subtropical regions of the world. So with this topic, we come to an end of our first video. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.